Alright, so bit of an inspection here. I'm probably going to use the wrong tool to get this off. Never done this before. So I see someone else has tried and broke it. Yeah, see, probably because it's totally stuffed. Yeah. Alright. Looks like so somebody's glued it in. They have. So they've glued it in. That's why it didn't want to come out. Break no matter what. Damn it. Really not what I wanted to do. Is break bits. Obviously it's going to break. Yeah. That's silicone stuff to the car. You know. Gonna be putting Humpty Dumpty back together. Oh, it's not too bad. But we're going to have a big problem. I think I caught this car in just in time. Just in time. Damn it. Well, that's good news. It's not rusty there, it's just surface rust. I'll have to treat that. I might have to lead that one. But yeah, compared to this, oh, look at it, would ya? Freaking hell, mate. I'm thinking for this side, I think this is gonna, oh, it's a little bit looser. Whoop. Here we go. Oh, it's not glued in. Woo. And there's no rust. Well, it's very, very minute surface rust. Okay, so that little plug, it's fine. I'll leave that for now. Anyway, I'll Sorry, it's all my pool stuff. Honestly, if we can't buy the plastics anymore, what are we going to do? Where are we going to get them from? Other than 3D printing them or welding the body together. Something to think about for me. But this here is absolutely horrendous. And if it was just taken care of when it started to show up, won't be any problem now. But anyway, that's what it is. Once this is painted and fixed and all that, this area, these areas, if I do have the plastic there, I will do what they did back in the day by putting like a like an epoxy or a deadener underneath it, extra protection from rust. But anyway, yeah, it's just really good. It's shocking, but down here, whole rear quarter, that can be cut and welded in. Right. So put a little bit of rust on this section I've done. Rust killer, sorry. Put a little bit of rust killer on this section I've done. See how we go. It's not too bad. That'll help stop it rusting anymore at the moment. Pretty good. It's in the shed. You can see this whole panel is stripping back. So it's starting to come out here, and the spots. So anyway, I'll just give it a bit of a coat. Don't want to spray or anything yet. Just preventative rust repair at the moment. This is actually really good, and I'm happy with that. As you see here, there's some rust happening here and here. So, but maybe welding and joining this bit here, and because then you don't need those plastics anymore.